For today, we have a new topic, diagnosis by palpation. This is a very important and very interesting topic. So what is palpation? Diagnosis through palpation is generally by feeling, which includes the following: palpation of the pulse, palpation of the skin, palpation of the limbs, of the hands, of the chest, of the abdomen, and palpation of the different points. Okay. So, among the very basic for TCM practitioners is pulse diagnosis, and this really involves pulse palpation. So here we have 28 different pulse qualities. In general, these are grouped into 6 at the yin-yang level. So we have a deep, floating, slow, rapid, empty, and full. So for deep, we also have firm when we palpate the pulse, which could also be hidden. So yung mga hindi basta nararamdaman na pulso, this could also mean a deep pulse. So for floating pulses, we could also say they could be hollow or leathery. For slow pulse, they could be generally slow, or we could also feel they are knotted through palpating. Rapid pulses could also be felt as hasty, hurried, or moving. For empty pulses, we could feel they are weak, they could be fine, minute, soggy, short, or scattered. While full pulses could be also felt as overflowing, wiry, tight, or long. Okay. So we also do pulse diagnosis relating to the 8 principles. So for exterior or young syndromes, we generally could see or feel a superficial pulse, which during palpation, we will feel it with light pressure. We can feel the pulse with light pressure. So for specific pulse quality, this pulse is superficial, floating, hollow, or leather-like, or leathery, or soft. So for interior or yin patterns, the general pulse quality will be deep. And this pulse through palpation can be felt with deep pressure. So for a specific pulse quality, this pulse are deep or could be firm, could be said to be hidden. For hot or young syndromes, generally the pulse quality is rapid. To describe this pulse, we usually have more than 80 beats per minute or more than 5 beats per breath. So we can describe this pulse as rapid, hasty, or moving. For cold or yin syndrome, we usually can palpate a slow pulse, meaning pulse lesser than 65 beats per minute or lesser than 3 per breath. This is a slow, tight, knotted, or intermittent pulse. Not necessarily slow, but often yung intermittent na sinasabi. So, walang definite na rhythm, kumbaga, paiba-iba. So for full or young conditions, this generally the pulse should be full. To describe this, these are large, long, and substantial pulses. For the pulse quality, they could be big, overflowing, wiry, tight, long, slippery, or flooding. So talagang ano siya, full na full. In contrast, we also have the empty or the yin pulse. So to describe this empty pulse, we have small, short, or insubstantial pulses. Quality-wise, we could say that we can feel there is a weak, fine, minute, short, and scattered or choppy pulse.